How to manage pages, you manage notifications on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage pages, you manage notifications on Facebook mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down and click settings and privacy and then click settings and now click notifications and here go down until you find pages you manage and click on it, and here you can manage pages you manage. I don't have any pages but you will see here many pages if you have pages you manage. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.